National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for east central Monmouth County until 8:30 p.m. At 4:34 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Long Branch, Tinton Falls, Red Bank, Highlands, Lincroft, Navesink, Adelphia, East Freehold, West Freehold, Eatontown, Freehold, West Long Branch, Rumson, Little Silver, Oceanport, Shrewsbury, and Oakhurst. This could also impact the Garden State Parkway in Monmouth County. Additional rainfall amounts of an inch are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following county: Monmouth, New Jersey,